Why does your scanner show the P2532 engine code? What does it mean? P2532 is a diagnostic trouble code for ignition. Switch run position circuit high. The P2532 engine code for indicate. The Powertrain Control Module, PCM, or Body Control Module, BCM, has detected an abnormally high voltage in the ignition switch circuit or when the ignition is supposed to be off. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty ignition switch, damaged or corroded wiring, blown fuses or faulty relays, incorrectly installed accessories, battery or ground issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, BMW, and Audi. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.